Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying and selling new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice CNC machine by probably one of the best CNC companies that are still out there. This is a Track DPM2. It's got internal speed change. Everything's built into this very robust control. This is the SMX controller. Touchscreen, you can use it as a digital readout for just a manual control if you need to. We're going to go through and just show you some basic how the screens look, how you'd pull up a program to be able to make one. We'll run a little program just so you can see everything moving, hear the head, and see everything in action. So we're going to go ahead, start right here. We just finished a program. We're going to hit Start Event. Ready to begin, we'll hit Go. We're going to turn our spindle on. Now we have a tool library that we could put into here so it'll know exactly what milling tools. Obviously we don't have anything really going on right here with no vise, but once you have everything set for your zeros and you know your heights, it'll make it so easy so that you just have to put in your tool. It'll know what tool and what heights are already there so you can set up really quickly. We'll go ahead and hit Go. Now you can see our table moving into position. Now what we're going to do is I programmed a little drill bolt hole. We'll show you the program after. You can see how it works. Right now you'll notice our Z is going to go into -2. Once it hits that, it'll come back up. And our table is going to move to the next position. We'll run this through a few times just so you can see everything working. So you can see our X and our Y have both changed. And now we have our Z axis making its drill again. And of course we could do drilling or tapping. Once it hits 2, our table is moving to the next position again. And one last time, you'll see our Z coming down. I have it running at 1500 RPM. You set that through the controller here. Almost there. As soon as that's done, we're back to 0. Our run is over. Machine shuts off. The head's already turned off, but we'll turn it off right now. That's a safety feature. It won't start again until you reset it for the next position. Now, let's just show you how everything works just a little bit here. We're going to go to our programs. And this is the bolt hole pattern that we just put in here. I just have a drill, number of holes 3, X and center, our Y's were center at 0, rapid's very slow there. We've got our Z, our radius, angle, how many pecks we're going to come into. That was 2 times each time. I set my RPM at 1500. Got our feed rate and our tool I just put in as tool number 1, which again, once you see your tool library and program that in, you can choose any of the tools that you'd have. You can see here you can choose to write a program to drill, bore, or tap. Very, very easy to program. We'll show you one other thing here. Once we get into run mode, hit start. It's asking if everything's been set properly. And we'll hit go. Now it's going to ask to turn our spindle on again. We're going to run the program again. I'm going to show you a different mode just so you can see how you can run it. We'll hit go. We've got our table moving into position. Head's coming down to where we have it set. And we have a path mode here. Now you can see in the path mode the 3 different holes that we're going to be making. It's going to be showing you as it's coming down here exactly what's going on. And it makes it really easy to kind of visualize what you're going to be making and see if that's going to work for you. You can see right here, it's moving to the next position. That purple line just moved over. We'll get 2 pecks into this again and come right here. You'll see this one more time, scoot to the next last position. You can see that moving to the last position. Again, it'll finish its hole and be on its way. So very simple machine, really easy to program. They have great reps. I've just called a rep to get us set up here and make us just go through this, make sure I had everything programmed properly. They got on the phone with me. It was really quick and easy to just walk through it with them. You can see we have it up and running in no time, super easy. There's a lot of other machines we have for sale here, new as well as used. Bridgeport milling machines, manual, CNC, 2-axis, 3-axis. This is a bed mill. You'll notice right here, the bed, the whole legs, there's no knee. If you look on here on a standard mill, you'll see down here, this is what they would call the knee, where you would raise and lower your head. On this particular bed mill, it's done through the head. The actual head moves up and down, making it really, really rigid. We have other sizes, other styles. Let us know how we can help, buy, sell, or trade with you. We'd love to work with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.